Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a bad blend door actuator and it's time to replace it? The blend door actuator is located behind the dashboard, underneath the dashboard, or right behind the glove box. It is going to be located on a lot of different areas, and there is going to be a lot of different blend door actuator in the HVAC system. The blend door actuator contains a small electric motor and is going to control the flap in the HVAC system, such as the mixing flap, the defroster flap, the footwell flap, and so on. And by controlling these flaps, it is going to open and close the passage inside the HVAC system. It is going to cause air to come out of the vent, whether it's going to be cold or hot, or a combination of cold and hot air. Here is a close-up view of the inside of a blend door actuator. It consists of the gears and a simple electric motor and obviously the connection. Now the first sign of a bad blend door actuator is going to make some sort of noise. It is going to make a clicking noise, a tapping noise, a popping noise, or a grinding noise. The most common noise you're going to hear is going to be a tapping noise or a ticking noise or a clicking noise. When that small electric motor becomes weak, it does not have enough strength to turn the gear, so it can cause it to start clicking. You hear that noise right there? That is a clicking noise or tapping noise. When you hear a grinding noise, it is going to be caused by the gears right here. It means the gear is most likely stripped. The teeth is not going to make proper contact with each other, and that can cause a grinding noise when the gears are worn out. The next sign of a bad blend door actuator, it is going to be inconsistent temperature. Again, the blend door actuator is a simple motor and it's supposed to control the flap inside the HVAC system. If the flap is not opening and closing properly, it can cause inconsistent temperature. For example, if you turn the knob on the climate control all the way to hot or warm and you don't feel any heat coming out of the vent, that could be a sign that there's something wrong with that blend door actuator. And of course, the opposite can occur. If you turn on the AC and you don't feel any cold air coming out of the vent, that could be a sign that the flap is stuck, possibly caused by a bad blend door actuator. The next sign, it is going to be the vents are blowing out different temperature. For example, if the driver's side is blowing out heat and the passenger side vent is blowing out cold air, it could be a sign that there's something wrong with that blend door actuator and it is not opening and closing the flap properly. The next sign of a bad blend door actuator is going to be no response. If you're turning the knob on the climate control from hot to cold or cold to hot and the temperature is not changing, it could be a sign that the electric motor on the blend door actuator is shorted or it is burnt out, or maybe you might have a connection issue. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.